Hi everyone, welcome to Rave Crochetry. Today we are going to crochet a trendy eye bag series that is very trendy in Instagram. So let's get started. For this, materials needed are acrylic yarn, 3 mm hue, needle and a scissor. First start with 81 chain as a base. For round 2, skip one chain, 80 header DC, that is half double crochet through the 80 chains. In round 2, same chain 1, half double crochet, but this time we are going to do with the back loop. As you all know what is a front loop and back loop, so this is the back loop and we are going to do work on the back loops only, not on the front loops. Next, from round 3 to round 8, so repeat the same thing, 80 half double crochet only in the back loop. Chain 1 and cut the yarn with a long tail for sewing. So likewise you have to make the other part. And now we are coming to the sewing part. So fold both the rectangular part as like shown and sew at the edges. Next, we are going to sew the vertical edges for holding the phone. Yeah, we have done that part. And next we are going to do the opposite side for the sewing. So same, we have to do the sewing at the edges. And ta-da, we have made the iPhone bag very easily. Do share this video for the friend who loves to crochet and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.